Wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver review. HD extender plug and play, portable, 2.4 gig, 5 gig kit. If you've ever struggled with tangled HDMI cables, limited mobility, or the frustration of setting up a wired connection between your devices and display, a wireless HDMI solution might be exactly what you need. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver kit, a device that promises to eliminate cable clutter while delivering high-definition video and audio streaming. This review will cover its key features, performance, ease of use, and reliability, as well as some potential drawbacks and how to work around them. By the end, you'll know whether this is the right wireless HDMI solution for your home theater, office presentations, or gaming setup. Key features and benefits. Wireless freedom without compromise. The biggest selling point of this kit is its ability to transmit high-quality video and audio wirelessly from your laptop, PC, TV box, or projector to a monitor or TV. No more tripping over cables or being restricted by cord length. Whether you're hosting a movie night, giving a business presentation, or gaming, this device lets you move freely while maintaining a stable connection. How does this solve your problem? If you have a projector mounted on the ceiling, running a long HDMI cable can be messy and expensive. This wireless kit eliminates the need for extra wiring while maintaining strong signal integrity. For gamers, it means reduced input lag compared to some other wireless solutions, thanks to its dual-band support. LED display for easy monitoring. Many wireless HDMI transmitters leave you guessing about connection status, but this one features an upgraded LED screen that shows power status, signal strength, video output resolution, and connection stability. If you're tired of dealing with messy HDMI cables and want a reliable wireless solution, click the link in the description below to check the latest price on this wireless HDMI kit. You might even find an exclusive discount. Why does this matter? Instead of troubleshooting blindly, you can instantly see if the signal drops or if there's an issue with the transmission. This is especially useful in environments with potential interference, like offices with multiple wireless devices. Want to see real customer experiences before buying? Click the link in the description to read verified reviews from users who've tested this in different setups, from gaming to home theaters. High-definition clarity, 4K decoding, 1080p output. While it doesn't transmit native 4K, it supports 4K decoding and outputs at 1080p Full HD, ensuring sharp, lag-free visuals. Whether you're streaming movies, playing games, or presenting slides, the image remains crisp and smooth. How does this compare to competitors? Some cheaper wireless HDMI kits max out at 720 pixels or suffer from compression artifacts. This one maintains better color accuracy and minimal latency, making it ideal for fast-paced content. Dual-band 2.4 gig 5 gig transmission, up to 30-meter range. The 2.4 GHz band offers better wall penetration, while the 5 GHz band provides faster speeds with less interference. You can switch between them depending on your environment. Real-world performance. In an open space, the 30-meter range holds up well. In a home with walls, expect a slightly reduced but still reliable range, around 15-20 meters. Portable and plug-and-play setup. Unlike some wireless HDMI systems that require software installation, this one works straight out of the box. Just plug the transmitter into your source, like a laptop, and the receiver into your display. No drivers or complicated pairing needed. Who benefits most from this? Frequent presenters who need a quick, reliable way to connect to different projectors. Traveling professionals who want a compact, no-fuss solution. Don't miss out on a clutter-free HD experience. Click the link below to get your wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver kit today and enjoy seamless streaming in minutes. Potential downsides and mitigations: inconsistent performance, as reported in negative reviews. Some users, particularly those with Apple TV or certain projectors, have experienced connection drops or failure to sync. How to prevent this? Ensure firmware is updated if applicable. Use shorter distances if interference is an issue. Try different HDMI ports or a different power source. Some USB ports don't provide enough power. Not true 4K output. If you need native 4K wireless transmission, you'll need a more expensive solution. However, for most users, 1080p is more than sufficient, especially given the price point. How it compares to similar products versus expensive wireless HDMI kits. Higher-end models may offer lower latency and 4K support, but they often cost 2 to 3 times more. This one strikes a great balance between price and performance. Versus cheap no-name brands. Many budget options suffer from signal drops, poor build quality, or lag. This kit's dual band. Support an LED display, give it a clear edge. Who should buy this? Cord cutters who hate HDMI cable clutter, gamers who want a lag-free wireless experience, presenters, teachers who need a portable plug-and-play solution, home theater enthusiasts looking for an easy way to stream to multiple screens. The wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver kit delivers strong performance, easy setup, and reliable wireless streaming at an affordable price. While it's not perfect, no 4K output, occasional sync issues, its dual band support, LED status screen, and plug-and-play functionality make it a great choice for most users.